Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching autonomous drone bot build, code and fly zero to hero series. Alright guys, so let's take a look at it what we are going to see today. So I'm going to show you what a landing gear of a drone bot means. So drone bot, excuse me guys, I have a pretty bad throat. So basically when you start building the bot, the drone bot, you will have a landing gear at the bottom, right? It comes in two or three different pieces. So basically the drones which need high ground clearance may adopt helicopter style skids mounted directly to the body from the bottom, right? When we start building the bot, I will show you each and every nuts and bolts how it gets fixed. While other drones which have no hanging payload, right, may actually ignore this landing gear. It can just be flat on the ground. Most drones has a fixed landing gear. It's permanently fixed. However, the best drones, the best kits which are available in the market will have a retractable landing gear which gives you a full 360-degree view when you are flying on the air, right? So it's all around. So for most of the latest drones you can buy big leg height extenders as well, so you can extend the height and do lot more modification. If you are flying in areas where there is long grass or plants, then it's a great idea to have a big landing mat. It's very important, right? Most importantly, examine your landing gear, and especially if you have had a bit of a rough landing, then this protects the drone. This basically the landing gear is going to protect your drone from the bottom up, right? And of course you are going to mount a lot of expensive cameras and sensors. In the future lessons we are going to mount all those components, so it's always better to have elevated projections above the ground, so that your sensors and cameras are absolutely protected from the bottom. So you need to have this landing gear. It's very important. If you can and it suits your need, buy a drone which has a retractable landing gear. It's very important guys. If you are going ahead and building this, go ahead and spend a little extra bucks and get the landing gear. All right, then you don't have to worry about the legs getting in the way of a great photo or video shot and kind of things, right? So with a retractable landing gear, keep it clean and free from dust and dirt. As always, the entire drone has to be dust free totally. In that way the landing gear doesn't seize up or doesn't slip, or some kind of wear and tear and stuff like that. So go ahead and be prepared with the landing gear and stuff. So it's very important. This is how it looks, as you saw. And make sure that you keep all these components ready. I'll show you a couple of more components in the coming lessons, and we will take it forward from there. Goodbye guys.